In this video, you will learn how to download your Arreya channel as a progressive web app, also known as a PWA. A progressive web app is a type of application delivered through the web. Progressive web apps, such as Arreya, are intended to work on any platform or device with an internet connection, including desktops, mobile devices, digital signage, and more. To download your Arreya channel as a PWA, start by powering on your Chrome OS device, and then open the Chrome browser. Navigate to your Arreya channel URL. You can also send users a link via an email, social media, or other method instead of manual entry. On the top right of the address bar, click the Install button and then click Install. The application can now be found in the application launcher, which is accessible from the bottom taskbar. You can also right-click the application icon to pin it to your taskbar. Arreya can also be installed as a progressive web app on mobile devices, as well as other devices and platforms. If you are still experiencing issues with downloading your Arreya channel as a PWA, be sure to visit our knowledge base or give us a call to talk with one of our digital signage experts.